Let's take a look at this significant figures question. The key to this question is there's two types of calculations going on. We got an addition and we also have division. Division and addition, so division and multiplication have different rules than addition or subtraction. For division, it is your final answer should have the same number of significant figures as the least significant number. So in this case, the top number here has 4 sig figs and the bottom number has 2 sig figs. So we can do this calculation and our final number should have 2 significant figures. Now, typically with significant figures, you kind of carry a bunch of digits throughout the entire calculation and then you follow the rules at the end and round. So we're going to first do this division, and what we get is a number which our calculator will give us a ton of digits, something like that. Now, we know that's way too many, right? We had 4 on the top. We can keep 4 for now, but our final answer, so if we kept 4 for now, it would look like this. But our final answer should only have 2. So what would that be? That would be 220. That 0 is a placeholder, and so we would only have 2 significant digits if we went to 220, or 2.2 times 10 to the second. We can't keep these extra ones. Even though 218.9 might sound better, we have to have 220. Now, the next step is addition. When we're adding or subtracting, our significant figures are based off the decimal point. How precise is it? And this number that we just generated is precise only to the tens spot. So plus or minus 10 is our significance. And so even though this number here we're adding is 3.42, and we could even go, 218.9 plus 3.42, and we get 222.32. That looks nice. Even you might even say, oh, 222.3 is a nice looking number, and there's an answer right there that lines up. But we have to follow the rules, and the rules say from down here, right, our precision is based on the 10 spot. And so we actually have to go way out here when we're doing our precision. And so our final answer is actually 220. Now that's painful, right? Because, well, adding the 3.42 didn't even do anything. Yep. Well, our precision was based off the 10 spot, 220, only 2 significant figures from that division. And that's what we have to stick to with our final answer. Now, that's why this question is hard to get the correct answer, because that doesn't seem right, especially adding the 3.42 does not change the answer from just rounding 218.9 to 220. But that is how we follow those rules. Division and multiplication, how many significant figures, adding, subtracting, what is the least precise number by the decimal point. In this case, it's the 10 spot. And so we're going plus or minus 10. Let's put that in. Okay, you'll see, yep, 220 for the correct answer. Hopefully that helps.